Children, let's read the words with short a sound. Are you ready, children? So, read with me. K, a, t, k, a, t, k, at, cat, cat. M, a, m, m, a, m, m, and man, man. K, a, b, k, a, b, k, ab, cab, cab. B, a, g, b, a, g, b, ag, bag, bag. K, ap, k, a, p, k, ap, cap, cap. K, a, r, k, a, r, k, a, r, car, car. B, a, t, b, a, t, b, at, bat, bat. Good job, children. Now, let's read the words with short a sound. A. A, A, hen, hen. A, t, a, t, at, net, net. T, a, t, a, t, and ten, ten. K, a, g, k, a, g, k, egg, keg, keg. R, a, d, r, a, d, red, red. P, a, p, a, p, and pen, pen. B, a, d, b, a, d, b, add, bed, bed. You are awesome. Next, let's read the word with short E sound. E. P E G P E G P Egg Pig Pig B E N B E N B N bin bin P E T P E T P it pit pit B E B B E B B ib bib bib T E N T E N T in tin tin W E G W E G W egg wig wig S E T S E T S it sit sit. Good job, children. Next, let's read short A sound. A. A T A T Hot 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 S A N S A N S on sun sun B A T B A T P ot pot pot D A G D A G D og dog dog W A N W A N W on one one A G A G og hog hog L A G L A G L og log log. Outstanding, children. Let's read the words with short A sound. A. S A N S A N S on sun sun A T A T hot 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 odd, 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 mud, mud. Cat, 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 cat. B, a, n, b, a, n, b, on, bun. A, g, a, g, hug, hug, hug. Good job, children! Hello, kids! Today we're going to read sentences with short vowel sounds. Are you ready? So let's begin. A, e, I, o. Let's start in sentences with short a. Did Ram see the map? Did Ram see the map? Now, it's your turn. You read. Good job. You read well. Jan sat on the cab. Jan sat on the cab. Your turn. Is the fat cat on his lap? Is the fat cat on his lap? Your turn. Put the pad in the bag. Put the pad in the bag. Your turn. The man is on the mat. The man is on the mat. Your turn. I am Pat. I love cat. I am Pat. I love cat. Your turn. The fat bat has a rag. The fat bat has a rag. Your turn. The man has a cat. The man has a cat. Your turn. Dan ran by a lad. Dan ran by a lad. Your turn. Now, sentences with short e. Jell fell in the well. Jill fell in the well. Your turn. Jag wins 10 pence. That is a lot of pence. Jag wins 10 pence. That is a lot of pence. Your turn. I slept in my bed. I slept in my bed. Your turn. Jen has a wet net. Jen has a wet net. Your turn. The hen runs to the well. The hen runs to the well. Your turn. The men are in the jet. The men are in the jet. Your turn. The peg in the bed is red. The peg in the bed is red. Your turn. I sell shell in the dell. I sell shell in the dell. Your turn. Tell Jill to ring the bell. Tell Jill to ring the bell. Your turn. Sentences with short E. Fill the tin with pins. Fill the tin with pins. Your turn. Do not hit him. It is a sin. Do not hit him. It is a sin. Your turn. Will Tim kill the bee? Will Tim kill the bee? Your turn. That kid bit and hit my sis. That kid bit and hit my sis. Your turn. Jim is sick and he has a pill. Jim is sick and he has a pill. Your turn. Sentences with short "a". Mom got an odd job. Mom got an odd job. Your turn. The son won and got a box of toys. The son won and got a box of toys. Your turn. Mon lost his pup's hog. Mon lost his pup's hog. Your turn. Mom and Pop can get jobs. Mom and Pop can get jobs. Your turn. Josh got an odd sock and a lot of hats. Josh got an odd sock and a lot of hats. Your turn. The boy lost his dog. The boy lost his dog. Your turn. The hog can rest in the log. The hog can rest in the log. Your turn. Sentences with short "a". The truck has 10 ducks. The truck has 10 ducks. Your turn. The hut is on the mud. The hut is on the mud. Your turn. Tom runs to the bus. Tom runs to the bus. Your turn. The bugs are in the mug. The bugs are in the mug. Your turn. The sun is hot, so the bug went in a jug. The sun is hot, so the bug went in a jug. Your turn. The cup has a gum. The cup has a gum. Your turn. See you in the next video. Goodbye!